Evolution Class 12 MCQs. Question 1. The theory of spontaneous generation stated that A. Life arose from living forms only. B. Life can arise from both living and non-living. C. Life can arise from non-living things only. D. Life arises spontaneously, neither from living nor from the non-living. Answer. C. Life can arise from non-living things only. Question 2. Animal husbandry and plant breeding programs are the examples of A. Reverse evolution. B. Artificial selection. C. Mutation. D. Natural selection. Answer. D. Natural selection. Question 3. Paleontological evidences for evolution refer to the A. Development of embryo. B. Homologous organs. C. Fossils. D. Analogous organs. Answer. C. Fossils. Question 4. The bones of forelimbs of whale, bat, cheetah and man are similar in structure because A. One organism has given rise to another. B. They share a common ancestor. C. They perform the same function. D. They have biochemical similarities. Answer. B. They share a common ancestor. Question 5. Analogous organs arise due to A. Divergent evolution. B. Artificial selection. C. Genetic drift. D. Convergent evolution. Answer. D. Convergent evolution. Question 6. P plus Q2 is equal to P2 plus 2 PQ plus Q2 is equal to 1 represents an equation used in A. Population genetics. B. Mendelian genetics. C. Biometrics. D. Molecular genetics. Answer. A. Population genetics. Question 7. Appearance of antibiotic-resistant bacteria is an example of A. Adaptive radiation. B. Transduction. C. Pre-existing variation in the population. D. Divergent evolution. Answer. C. Pre-existing variation in the population. Question 8. Fossils are generally found in A. Sedimentary rocks. B. Igneous rocks. C. Metamorphic rocks. D. Any type of rock. Answer. A. Sedimentary rocks. Question 9. Which type of selection is industrial melanism observed in moth, Biston betullaria? A. Stabilizing. B. Directional. C. Disruptive. D. Artificial. Answer. B. Directional. Question 10. Which of the following is an example for lynx species? A. Lobe fish. B. Dodo bird. C. Seaweed. D. Chimpanzee. Answer. A. Lobe fish. Question 11. Variations during mutations of meiotic recombinations are A. Random and directionless. B. Random and directional. C. Random and small. D. Random small and directional. Answer. A. Random and directionless. Question 12. One of the possible early sources of energy was were A. CO2. B. Chlorophyll. C. Green plants. D. UV rays and lightning. Answer. D. UV rays and lightning. Question 13. Abiogenesis theory of origin supports A. Spontaneous generation. B. Origin of life from blue-green algae. C. Origin of life is due to pre-existing organisms. D. Organic evolution is due to chemical reactions. Answer. A. Spontaneous generation. Question 14. Who proposed that the first form of the could have come from pre-existing non-living organic molecules? A. S. L. Miller. B. Oparin and Haldane. C. Charles Darwin. D. Alfred Wallace. Answer. B. Oparin and Haldane. Question 15. According to one of the most widely accepted theories, Earth's atmosphere before origin of life was A. Oxidizing. B. Oxidizing along with H2. C. Reducing with free O2 in small amount. D. Reducing with oxygen absent in O2 form. Answer. B. Oxidizing along with H2. Question 16. According to Oparin, which one of the following was not present in the primitive atmosphere of the Earth? A. Methane. B. Oxygen. C. Hydrogen. D. Water vapor. Answer. B. Oxygen. Question 17. The correct sequence for the manufacture of the compounds on the primitive Earth is A. NH3, CH4, protein and carbohydrate. B. Protein, carbohydrate, water and nucleic acid. C. NH3, CH4, carbohydrate and nucleic acid. D. NH3, carbohydrate, protein and nucleic acid. Answer. D. NH3, carbohydrate, protein and nucleic acid. Question 18. Early atmosphere contained methane and other hydrocarbons. They have been now replaced by A. Nitrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Hydrogen. Answer. C. Carbon dioxide. Question 19. The first life originated A. On land. B. In air. C. In water. D. All of these. Answer. C. In water. Question 20. Conservates are A. Colloid droplets. B. Nucleoprotein containing entities. C. Microspheres. D. Both A and B. Answer. D. Both A and B. Question 21. First life from on Earth was A. Cyanobacterium. B. Chemoheterotroph. C. Autotroph. D. Photoautotroph. Answer. B. Chemoheterotroph. Question 22. Presence of gills in the tadpole of frog indicated that A. Fishes were amphibious in the past. B. Fishes evolved from frog-like ancestors. C. Frogs will have gills in future. D. Frogs evolved from gilled ancestors. Answer. D. Frogs evolved from gilled ancestors. Question 23. The character that proves that frogs have evolved from fishes is A. Their ability to swim in water. B. Tadpole larvae in frogs. C. Similarity in the shape of the head. D. Their feeding on aquatic plants. Answer. B. Tadpole larvae in frogs. Question 24. Identify the correct arrangement of periods of Paleozoic era in ascending order in geological time scale. A. Cambrian Devonian Ordovician Silurian Carboniferous Permian. B. Cambrian Ordovician Silurian Devonian Carboniferous Permian. C. Cambrian Ordovician Devonian Silurian Carboniferous Permian. D. Silurian Devonian Cambrian Ordovician Permian Carboniferous. Answer. B. Cambrian Ordovician Silurian Devonian Carboniferous Permian. Question 25. Which is the correct order of increasing geological time scale for a hypothetical vertebrate evolution? A. Cenozoic, Mesozoic, Paleozoic, Proterozoic. B. Cenozoic, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Proterozoic. C. Proterozoic, Cenozoic, Paleozoic, Mesozoic. D. Proterozoic, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic. Answer. Cenozoic. Answer. D. Proterozoic, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic. Question 26. The Devonian period is considered to be as A. Age of fishes. B. Age of amphibians. C. Age of reptiles. D. Age of mammals. Answer. A. Age of fishes. Question 27. Amphibians were dominant during __ period. A. Carboniferous. B. Silurian. C. Ordovician. D. Cambrian. Answer. A. Carboniferous. Question 28. The primate which existed 15 Maya was A. Homo habilis. B. Australopithecus. C. Rampithecus. D. Homo erectus. Answer. C. Rampithecus. Question 29. The extinct stone ancestor who ate only fruits and hunted with stone weapons was A. Rampithecus. B. Australopithecus. C. Dryopithecus. D. Homo erectus. Answer. B. Australopithecus. Question 30. One of the oldest, best preserved and most complete hominid fossil commonly known as Lucy belongs to the genus A. Australopithecus. B. Oreopithecus. C. Dryopithecus. D. Pithecanthropus. Answer. A. Australopithecus. Question 31. The brain capacity of Homo erectus was about A. 650 cc. B. 900 cc. C. 1500 cc. D. 1400 cc. Answer. B. 900 cc. Question 32. The ship used by Charles Darwin during the sea voyages was A. HMS Beagle. B. HSM Beagle. C. HMS Eagle. D. HSM Eagle. Answer. A. HMS Beagle. Question 33. Fitness according to Darwin refers to A. Number of species in a community. B. Useful variation in population. C. Strength of an individual. D. Reproductive fitness of an organism. Answer. D. Reproductive fitness of an organism. Question 34. Alfred Wallace worked in A. Galapagos Island. B. Australian island continent. C. Malay archipelago. D. None of these. Answer. C. Malay archipelago. Question 35. The theory of natural selection was given by A. Lamarck. B. Alfred Wallace. C. Charles Darwin. D. Oparin and Haldane. Answer. C. Charles Darwin. Question 36. The preserved fossil remains of Archaeopteryx show that A. It was a flying reptile from the Permian period. B. Reptiles gave rise to birds during Jurassic period. C. It was a flying reptile in the Triassic period. D. Reptiles gave rise to birds during Permian period. Answer. B. Reptiles gave rise to birds during Jurassic period. Question 37. Which of the following isotopes is used for finding the fossil age maximum about 35,000 years? A. 238U. B. 14C. C. 3H. D. 206PB. Answer. B. 14C. Question 38. Which of the following statements is true? A. Wings to birds and insects are homologous organs. B. Human hands and birds' wings are analogous organs. C. Human hands and bats' wings are analogous organs. D. Flipper of penguin and dolphin are analogous organs. Answer. D. Flipper of penguin and dolphin are analogous organs. Question 39. Replacement of the lighter-colored variety of peppered moth, Biston betullaria, to its darker variety, Biston carbonaria, in England is the example of A. Natural selection. B. Regeneration. C. Genetic isolation. D. Temporal isolation. Answer. A. Natural selection. Question 40. Phenomenon of industrial melanism demonstrates A. Geographical isolation. B. Reproductive isolation. C. Natural selection. D. Induced mutation. Answer. C. Natural selection. Question 41. Which one of the following phenomena supports Darwin's concept of natural selection in organic evolution? A. Development of transgenic animals. B. Production of dolly, the sheep by cloning. C. Prevalence of pesticide-resistant insects. D. Development of organs from stem cells for organ transplantation. Answer. C. Prevalence of pesticide-resistant insects. Question 42. The phenomenon ontogeny repeats phylogeny is explained by A. Recapitulation theory. B. Inheritance theory. C. Mutation theory. D. Natural selection theory. Answer. A. Recapitulation theory. Question 43. The presence of gill slits in the embryos of vertebrates supports the theory of A. Metamorphosis. B. Biogenesis. C. Organic evolution. D. Recapitulation. Answer. D. Recapitulation. Question 44. Which is not a vestigial organ in man? A. Nictitating membrane. B. Tail vertebrae. C. Vermiform appendix. D. Nails. Answer. D. Nails. Question 45. Which one is not a vestigia organ? A. Wings of kiwi. B. Coccyx in man. C. Pelvic girdle of python. D. Flipper of sea. Answer. D. Flipper of sea. Question 46. By the statement survival of the fittest, Darwin meant that A. The strongest of all species survives. B. The most intelligent of the species survives. C. The cleverest of the species survives. D. The species most adaptable to changes survives. Answer. D. The species most adaptable to changes survives. Question 47. Which of the following are the two key concepts of Darwinian theory of evolution? A. Genetic drift and mutation. B. Adaptive radiation and homology. C. Mutation and natural selection. D. Branching descent and natural selection. Answer. D. Branching descent and natural selection. Question 48. According to Lamarckism, long-necked giraffes evolved because A. Nature selected only long-necked ones. B. Humans preferred only long-necked ones. C. Short necks suddenly changed into long necks. D. Of stretching of necks over many generations by short-necked ones. Answer. D. Of stretching of necks over many generations by short-necked ones. Question 49. Which of the following evidences does not favor the Lamarckian concept of inheritance of acquired characters? A. Lack of pigment in cave-dwelling animals. B. Melanization in peppered moth. C. Absence of limbs in snakes. D. Presence of webbed toes in aquatic birds. Answer. B. Melanization in peppered moth. Question 50. Human population grows in geometric ratio while food materials increase in arithmetic proportion. It is a statement from A. Darwin, B. Bateson, C. Amartya Sen, D. Malthus. Answer. D. Malthus. Question 51. Which one of the following scientists' name is correctly matched with the theory put forth by him? A. De Vries theory of natural selection. B. Darwin theory of pangenesis. C. Weismann theory of continuity of germplasm. D. Pasteur theory of inheritance of acquired characters. Answer. C. Weismann theory of continuity of germplasm. Question 52. Single-step large mutation leading to speciation is also called A. Founder effect, B. Saltation, C. Branching descent, D. Natural selection. Answer. B. Saltation. Question 53. At a particular locus, frequency of allele A is 0.6 and that of allele A is 0.4. What would be the frequency of heterozygotes in a random mating population at equilibrium? A. 0.36, B. 0.16, C. 0.24, D. 0.48. Answer. D. 0.48. Question 54. Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium is known to be affected by gene flow, genetic drift mutation, genetic recombination and A. Evolution, B. Limiting factors, C. Saltation, D. Natural selection. Answer. D. Natural selection. Question 55. The Hardy-Weinberg principle cannot operate if A. A population does not migrate for a long time to a new habitat. B. Frequent mutations occur in the population. C. The population has no chance of interaction with other populations. D. Free interbreeding occurs among all members of the population. Answer. B. Frequent mutations occur in the population. Question 56. Genetic drift operates only in A. Larger populations, B. Mendelian populations, C. Island populations, D. Smaller populations. Answer. D. Smaller populations. Question 57. Which of the following is most important for speciation? A. Seasonal isolation, B. Reproductive isolation, C. Behavioral isolation, D. Tropical isolation. Answer. B. Reproductive isolation. Question 58. The factors involved in the formation of new species are A. Isolation and competition, B. Gene flow and competition, C. Competition and mutation, D. Isolation and variation. Answer. D. Isolation and variation. Question 59. Stabilizing selection favors A. Both extreme forms of a trait, B. Intermediate forms of a trait. C. Environmental differences. D. One extreme form over the other extreme form and over intermediate forms of a trait. Answer. B. Intermediate forms of a trait. Question 60. The different forms of interbreeding species that live in different geographical regions are called: A. Sibling species. B. Sympatric species. C. Allopatric species. D. Polytypic species. Answer. C. Allopatric species. Question 61. Which of following represents correct order of evolution? A. Amoeba Leucosolenia hydra ascaris. B. Leucosolenia hydra amoeba ascaris. C. Ascaris amoeba Leucosolenia hydra. D. None of these. Answer. A. Amoeba Leucosolenia hydra ascaris. Question 62. The extinct human who lived 1 lakh to 40,000 years ago in East and Central Asia used hides to protect their bodies and had brain capacity of 1400 cc were: A. Homo habilis. B. Neanderthal man. C. Cro-Magnon man. D. Rampithecus. Answer. B. Neanderthal man. Question 63. Which of the following statements is correct? A. Australopithecus has large brain around 900 cc. B. Neanderthal man lived in East Africa and the fruits. C. Homo erectus had brain capacity 900 cc. D. Homo sapiens arose in Central Asia and moved to other continents and developed into distinct races. Answer. C. Homo erectus had brain capacity 900 cc. Question 64. Which of the following statements is correct regarding evolution of mankind? A. Homo erectus is preceded by Homo habilis. B. Neanderthal man and Cro-Magnon man were living at the same time. C. Australopithecus was living in Australia. D. None of these. Answer. A. Homo erectus is preceded by Homo habilis. Question 65. The cranial capacity was largest among the: A. Peking man. B. Java ape man. C. African man. D. Neanderthal man. Answer. D. Neanderthal man.